Okay guys, just open settings, then select display, then scroll down, then you can see the option screen timeout, or some phones showing that sleep time or automatic lock screen time. In this case there is screen timeout, so open that settings. You can see now it is on 30 seconds. It is too low. I'm recording this phone for tutorial videos, so I'm setting this one to 2 minutes. Okay friends, it's one of the very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos, so you can easily watch that. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.